The Philippines leadership wants to purchase the Russian Mi-17 helicopter to avoid dependence on Western weaponry rather than selecting the system that the Philippine military believes best serves the country's military needs. To support U.S. government foreign assistance training for nations on how to comply with U.S. and UN sanctions. Countries in Southeast Asia have diverse national defense needs, and to meet these they must make difficult choices about how to allocate scarce national resources. In the Philippines case, acquisition of the Russian Mi-17 helicopters, a medium transport helicopter, illustrates the trade-off between acquiring the best equipment for a reasonable price versus using procurement for political symbolism. In the case of the Philippines, the revised Armed Forces Modernization Act is a 15-year, $40 billion program to upgrade and modernize the entire armed forces of the Philippines, AFP. One part of this program is aircraft modernization, including helicopters. In early 2018, the AFP signed an agreement to buy 16 Canadian Bell 412 EPI helicopters, a combat helicopter to use for internal security operations such as fighting rebel forces. However, after Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau expressed concerns about Philippine human rights abuses, President Rodrigo Duterte cancelled the deal. He claimed that he was buying helicopters because I want to finish them off, referring to the internal rebels. Trudeau's concerns mostly referred to the extrajudicial killings of suspected drug offenders and not necessarily rebels.